Cleaning up after dinner can be a breeze with a disposer in your kitchen. However, there are some tricks to keeping it operating properly. Andy will give you some tips and also show you how you can attempt to unjam it if you find yours is not working. Please watch and listen for the safety tips, as this can be a dangerous appliance, and read the disclaimer in the video notes below.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another segment of Do-It-Yourself videos with At Your Service Plumbing. My name is Andy. Today I want to demonstrate to you a good way to keep your garbage disposers working good. Before you do any service, please unplug the unit, disconnect from power. Now, in the event that your unit should get plugged up and stop working, we want to free up that jam, whatever's blocked up in there. This model has a wrench. Fits right in the bottom. You're able to turn the unit by hand, freeing up the obstruction, reaching in and taking that out of there with a needle nose pliers. This model does not have a manual turn. As you can see, it's all closed up. What I like to do is use a wooden handled or a piece of wood. I have a wooden handled hammer, seems to work really good. Put that down inside. You won't damage anything with the wood. And turn that rotating disc on the bottom to free up that jam. Just fits right down inside. Some units also have a removable safety insert. Sometimes they get pretty dirty. We'll pull those out by hand. You can rinse them underwater, keep them nice and clean. Now, in the event that your unit should stop working, it probably got too hot because it was jammed. This unit has a thermal overload switch that could have popped out. This one is on the side. If that red button is popped out, just push it, reactivate, and you should be good to go. This model is located on the bottom. Again, it's a red button. If it's pushed out or extended, simply push that back in once you've removed the jam, restore it to its power source, and push that button back in. One additional tip is that you can run ice in your disposers. Keeps them nice and clean and smelling good. Dump a tray full of ice in there, run some cold water, and turn the unit on, and that'll help keep it clean. Thank you for watching.
I trust the information in this video was helpful for you. If you find at any time you either don't have the right tools, you don't want to make trips back and forth to the hardware store, or you just don't want to spend your valuable time doing this task, please give At Your Service Plumbing a call and ask to schedule your own personal plumbing professional to come and assist you. Our client care representatives would be happy to provide you a 2-hour arrival window, which works for you. If you have other plumbing issues, we offer several videos in this Do-It-Yourself series. Please comment suggestions for future videos, and we thank you for joining us.